Wow, amazing. I'm sure people who are fat like me has fall for all this crash dieters and a short-term solution. So does this actually works or not is what I'm going to talk today. So let's see this what happens. So today I'm going to talk about this, and it's really sad to see a young girl losing her life because of this. Now this news says the reason was kidney failure and keto diet could be the reason. So how true is that is what I'm going to share my views. Hi there, hope you guys are doing great. I'm sorry about my low energy and voice. I just got up, and as I was getting ready to gym, I was just checking on my WhatsApp and I saw two messages. That was one from my sister and one from my friend. It is the news on demises of actress Mishti Mukherjee. I feel sad for her and my condolence to her because she is so young, just 27-year-old. And it is really concerning for me, and this was the reason her liver had an issue. That's a liver failure. And top of that, the reason was given ketogenic diet. So I have my own doubts there because there is not much detail is given, like how many days she has followed, what food she was eating, because keto diets got evolved for children who had epilepsy. So what is epilepsy? Epilepsy is a condition where your neurologic function is not working fine, right? For that, ketones was required to treat that, and there when this ketogenic diet came, so instead of taking more carbs, more fats were taken, because when fats are converted by liver, it generates ketones in the body, which was required for those children to fix this neurologic problem. Now some researchers have did analysis and they found that it is also helping in weight loss. Obviously, when you don't take carbs, your body is not going to convert glucose. So when you don't have glucose, it will not convert to fat. That's the reason you will reduce the weight. So to go on any crash diet, you have to understand how your organs, your bodies are functioning with the food which we are taking. Okay, so anything you do, because see, if a doctor gives you medicine, they don't give for a month until you are a regular patient or something you're going through and your medical history your doctor is having. He will give you a prescription and see, because there are a lot of medicines also available, how it is going with you. Are you able to adjust with the same way? Whenever we go on a crash diet or any weight loss program, we need to analyze what are we doing with our body. Without that, you are risking your life. So really, beautiful women, we all are beautiful, but when it comes to weight loss program, because we go through lot of environmental issues, inside lot of issues, because we all just want to become thin. But before going to go for any weight loss program or in that any crash dieting, ensure you have a mentor who can guide you, coach you, help you, because anything we do with our body, it just react. So we need to understand our body. Now coming to keto diet, it was internationally and they were used to eat red meat. Thus for Indian, that work is what you have to understand. So there are a lot of things when we look at the process what we want to do. So ensure, take care of your health and don't jump on a weight loss program thinking that okay, this will work for me, this will not work for me, this will work for me, I will do it. 100 people are doing. Do you check that what kind of body they are having, how their organs, how their immune systems are working? So this is a very very important and serious issue which I am working on. I really want all the women to be beautiful, because we are beautiful. It's just that we need to be healthy enough and taking care of our health. Okay, but we should not jump up and be impatient to get the results. Weight loss is not a one time activity. You cannot restrict your food for long. Okay, so you need to find a way to reduce weight with your regular lifestyle, with your regular food which we are eating and consuming for years. We will be eating rice, dal, chawal, you name Indian food. In South India is sambar, rice, all the vegetables, steamed food. Now what is happening? We are eating outside food, junk foods, right? And at an excess level, okay? So that's the reason we should find a right balance according to our lifestyle to have food and then reduce. So uh, any type of diet you can do it, only you need to know how long to do, when to do, you need to see the reaction your body is giving, and you should have a mentor to guide you. Otherwise you might lose weight but you don't know what is the reason it's going to impact later. So don't look for shortcut on weight loss. Do your weight loss journey in a healthy way, an effective way, and live happy and live long. Take care. Bye bye.